just wanna be happy
So, hey guys, there's been new update. I haven't looked at this at all yet. Okay, stop it. No. I really want to take because I'm really excited because anything like the, I don't know, I'm just so excited. I want to play the game and stuff. Oh my god. There's new pet wear and everything. Wait, what? Wait, I didn't know there's like still new pets. Hang on. Oh, okay. Like, I didn't know there was like still more things to be released. Oh my god. Look at him. I do not have 1,200. However much that is. I don't have it. But I really want to leave. Oh god. I really want to play this as well. 11 minutes. Okay. I'm not quite sure how to play it, but I think I just about know how to play it. Oh, look at the elephant stroller. Okay, I've got some toys. The balloon propeller sticker. And the chair swing propeller popcorn plush light spinner throw toy. Okay. Well, this is just so cute. I'm a bit disappointed though because I thought there would be like some pet wear or stuff like the other ones because they've been releasing loads of super cute preppy pet wear. Obviously I got it because like look, they released this really cute like cotton candy hat. And then, oh my god, and then they also released these shooting star earrings. And I don't know, they've just been releasing lots of puppy stuff. Oh, yes! Sorry. But, okay. Someone told my name, that's not fair. Okay. So, I think I'm gonna go now, tigers. So, bye!